Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 6 different ways to safely eject your USB flash drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive which can have the capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 all the way up to 1 terabyte in size. In this tutorial, we are not focused on the size of the USB. In fact, we actually focused on how to safely eject that USB flash drive from the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. We can now bring the USB flash drive into the scene. Let's now connect to the Mac computer. Okay, so the USB has now popped up on screen. Let's double click to open up this in Finder. Increase the size of the Finder window. So, the first way to safely eject using Finder will be to click on Locations, go to USB, and now we see the eject button. There we go. The USB flash drive has now been ejected. Let's remove from the Mac computer, reinsert into the Mac computer. Wait for that to pop up on screen. There we have it. Click on USB. That will open up in Finder again. Increase the size of the Finder window. So let's go to the top menu bar. Go to File, Eject. The USB flash drive should now have ejected for the second time. Remove and reinsert. Let's wait for the USB to pop up on screen. There we have it. Double click on this again. Increase the size of Finder again. And now let's go to Action. Eject USB. So that's technique number 3 that shows us how to safely eject the USB flash drive on screen. Remove from the USB port, reinsert. There we have the USB on screen. We don't have to open up Finder now. So if we right click on the USB, eject USB. So that's technique number 4 that allows us to safely eject from the Mac computer. Remove and reinsert. There we have it, USB on screen. We can now use a keyboard shortcut for technique number 5. Click on USB, Command and E for eject. There we have it. The USB should have been safely ejected from the Mac computer. Remove and reinsert. So technique number 6 will require us to drag and drop the USB onto the bin that is located on the dock. If I now go to the dock, there we see the bin. One side, let's just bring the dock back. Command Option and D. If I now take the USB, drag and drop, look at what happens to the icon of the bin. Turns into an eject sign. So the USB flash drive has now been ejected for the 6th time. Let's now remove. Let's hide the dock. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.